Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set a battery charge limit on Dell laptops. Most Dell Latitude laptops have this feature where you can set a battery charge limit if you don't want your battery to get weak over time, because the more you charge your battery to 100% on the long run, the battery gets more weaker. And if you want to use your laptop for a long period of time, you need to do this so that it's going to help your battery maintain its lifespan. So if you want to set a battery charge limit on your Dell laptop, you have to download this app called Dell Power Manager. I'm not going to show how to download it. I already have a video on the channel on how to download this software. I'm also going to put the link in the description so that you know how to download it for yourself. So when you download this app, you go to where it says settings. About the battery health and all that, you're going to see where it says settings. Click on it, battery settings, and here you will see a bunch of options. Here you just select custom, because that's what we're looking for. The first one is to select the start charging target. It will start charging once it gets to 50%. I recommend leave it at 50. And if you want it to stop charging at some point, that's the point of this video. If you want to limit the charge, you can set it to 90%. So I think 80 to 90 is safe. When you put it to 90 and you select OK, from now on, the battery won't pass 90% if you're charging it. So that's how you limit battery charge on Dell laptops. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.